Number 1. 1973 Oldsmobile 98 Luxury. Price: $3,500. Located Howell, Michigan. This 1973 Oldsmobile 98 Luxury is a true example of a classic American land yacht, built for smooth cruising and maximum comfort. Powered by the legendary 455 rocket V8, it delivers strong torque ideal for relaxed highway driving. The automatic transmission shifts smoothly, and the car features power steering, power brakes, power windows, and a power front bench seat. The engine runs well, and most functions operate properly except the clock. The red exterior and interior create a bold vintage look. However, it has rust on the rear skirts and front fenders, chrome pitting, and a worn interior, making it a solid restoration project. Number 2. 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price: $7,000. Located Delta, Ohio. This 1960 Chevrolet Bel Air is a classic American sedan powered by a reliable 283 V8 engine paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission. It runs, drives, and stops well, making it a usable vintage car for daily local errands. The vehicle has received important updates including new brakes, fuel system, and tires, ensuring better reliability. The body is solid with strong floors and trunk, while the paint still shines with some natural patina. Interior seat covers are worn and missing a headliner, showing its age. It comes with extra parts and trim, making it a great affordable classic with room for improvement. Number 3. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe. Price: $7,500. Located Middletown, Maryland. This 1977 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe is a stylish American sports car featuring a 350 engine with automatic transmission and classic T-top design. With 72,000 miles, it presents a strong foundation for enthusiasts looking for a project with great potential. The blue exterior and interior combination gives it a clean and appealing look. The vehicle runs but needs some attention, including a carburetor rebuild due to sitting. It is ideal for someone willing to invest time into restoration. This Corvette offers a chance to own an iconic performance car at an accessible price point. Number 4. 1984 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL. Price: $6,200. Located Inkster, Michigan. This 1984 Mercedes-Benz 380 SL is a timeless European luxury roadster known for its smooth performance and elegant design. It runs and drives very well, offering a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. The red exterior paired with a brown interior gives it a classic and refined appearance. The car holds a clean title and is ready for use, though it would benefit from a fresh paint job to restore its full visual appeal. This model is perfect as a summer cruiser and a great entry into classic Mercedes ownership with strong potential value. Number 5. 1974 Jaguar XJ Sedan. Price: $5,000. Located Indianapolis, Indiana. This 1974 Jaguar XJ sedan is a rare British luxury classic that offers timeless styling and smooth driving characteristics. With just over 73,000 miles, it presents a solid foundation for restoration. The automatic transmission and gasoline engine provide a traditional driving experience. The off-white exterior combined with a black interior gives it an elegant and sophisticated look. This vehicle has had 2 owners and is fully paid off. While it is in fair condition, it is best suited for someone looking to restore a unique and collectible classic sedan. Number 6. 1972 Jeep CJ5. Price: $5,900. Located Winona, Minnesota. This 1972 Jeep CJ5 is a rugged and iconic off-road classic equipped with a 304 V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. With only 34,000 miles, it remains in very good condition and runs and drives well. The vehicle includes power steering, working lights, wipers, and a nice stereo system. It features a rust-free frame, fiberglass tub, and a new bimini top, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. With many new parts installed and everything functioning properly, this Jeep is a solid and reliable classic ready for immediate enjoyment. Number 7. 1974 Ford F-250 Super Cab. Price: $8,000. Located Rosemount, Minnesota. This 1974 Ford F-250 Super Cab long bed is a powerful and classic American pickup equipped with a 390 engine and automatic transmission. It has low indicated mileage but likely higher actual use. The truck features a Holley carburetor and several collected new parts for upgrades. While it runs, it requires some mechanical attention including carburetor adjustment and brake repair. There are minor rust areas on the body, but it remains a solid candidate for restoration or daily use. With its classic styling and strong engine platform, it offers great potential for enthusiasts. Number 8. 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air. Price, $5,500. Located Wright City, Missouri. This 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air is a classic American sedan equipped with a 283 V8 engine and a manual transmission. It runs and drives, making it a functional project car with strong potential. The vehicle includes several new parts already installed along with documentation. While it needs brake line work and will require tires soon, it remains a fun and engaging car to drive. The green exterior adds vintage character, and its overall structure makes it a good restoration candidate for someone looking to build a classic cruiser. Number 9. 1980 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $10,000. Located Thomaston, Georgia. This 1980 Chevrolet Malibu is a performance-focused classic featuring a built small block engine and automatic transmission. It includes upgraded components such as dart iron heads, solid roller motor, and a performance intake system. The car is equipped with racing features including transbrake, upgraded suspension, and drag slick tires. It also has a full exhaust system and a fuel cell in the rear. Designed for speed and performance, this Malibu is ideal for enthusiasts interested in drag racing or high-performance builds rather than a standard daily driver. Number 10. 1968 Buick Skylark. Price, $6,000. Located Kokomo, Indiana. This 1968 Buick Skylark is a classic American coupe powered by a 350 engine paired with a rebuilt automatic transmission. It runs and drives well, making it a solid driver-level classic. The vehicle has received several recent upgrades including a new starter, alternator, belts, distributor, and ignition components. Equipped with a Holley carburetor, it offers reliable performance. The gray exterior and green interior provide a unique vintage look. This car is suitable for enthusiasts seeking a dependable classic with room for personalization or trade opportunities. Number 11. 1969 Mini Midget. Price, $2,000. Located Lawrenceville, Georgia. This 1969 Mini Midget is a small and charming British classic with a largely original condition. It does not currently run and will require mechanical diagnosis and repair before returning to the road. With about 90% originality, it offers strong potential for restoration enthusiasts. The green exterior and black interior maintain its vintage character. This vehicle is best suited as a project car for someone interested in restoring a lightweight classic roadster. With its affordable price, it provides an accessible entry into classic European car ownership. Number 12. 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. Price, $4,500. Located Midland, Michigan. This 1979 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme is a classic American coupe powered by a 260 V8 engine with automatic transmission. The vehicle stopped running last year and will need mechanical attention before being driven again. It features new rear tires and good condition front tires, along with a solid body that remains in excellent shape for its age. The interior shows some wear but is still in decent condition. This car is ideal for buyers looking for a restoration project with a strong body and classic styling. Number 13. 1981 Buick Park Avenue. Price, $4,500. Located St. Louis, Missouri. This 1981 Buick Park Avenue is a well-preserved classic luxury sedan with just over 100,000 miles. It runs and drives smoothly, with all features functioning as expected. The interior is in excellent condition with no major damage, reflecting careful ownership. It was stored for many years, making it a unique survivor example. The exterior and interior maintain a clean and classic look. This vehicle is a great choice for collectors seeking an original and comfortable American luxury car from the early 1980s. Number 14. 1971 Volkswagen Beetle. Price: $2,200. Located Marbury, Alabama. This 1971 Volkswagen Beetle is an iconic compact classic known for its simplicity and reliability. It runs well and has received many new engine parts, improving its performance. The vehicle will need brake bleeding to ensure proper operation. Its lightweight design and manual transmission provide a fun driving experience. The black exterior adds to its timeless appeal. This Beetle is ideal for someone looking for an affordable and simple classic project that can be easily maintained and enjoyed. Number 15. 1976 Ford F-150. Price: $5,800. Located Coldwater, Mississippi. This 1976 Ford F-150 is a classic four-wheel drive truck powered by a V8 engine. It runs and drives well, offering strong performance and a rugged character. The vehicle includes modern touches such as a Bluetooth stereo and new speakers, along with new brakes. It features large wheels and mud tires, making it suitable for off-road use. Some mechanical work is still needed to fully restore four-wheel drive functionality. Overall, it is a solid and fun classic truck with plenty of personality and usability. Number 16. 1985 Dodge D-150. Price: $8,500. Located Hartsville, Tennessee. This 1985 Dodge D-150 is a clean and well-maintained short bed pickup powered by a V8 engine. It runs and drives great, making it suitable for daily use. The truck includes features such as air conditioning, cruise control, and power windows, adding comfort to its classic design. With 72,000 miles and many new parts installed, it is fully ready for the road. The red exterior and interior create a bold and cohesive look. This is an excellent example of a dependable classic truck. Number 17. 1965 Ford Country Squire Wagon. Price: $2,200. Located Fairdale, Kentucky. This 1965 Ford Country Squire Wagon is a classic full-size family vehicle equipped with a 352 engine and automatic transmission. It includes several unique features such as power brakes, air conditioning, and seating for 9 passengers. The car runs but has a rusted frame and does not have a title, making it more suitable as a project or parts vehicle. With its distinctive vintage wagon design, it offers nostalgic value and potential for restoration if properly addressed. Number 18. 1984 Buick LeSabre Limited. Price: $2,000. Located Springfield, Ohio. This 1984 Buick LeSabre Limited is a solid classic sedan that has been sitting for several years but still runs and drives. It features a 307 engine with relatively low mileage for its age. The vehicle recently received a tune-up but still requires additional work including tires and exhaust repair. The body remains solid, making it a good candidate for restoration or light project use. With its affordable price, it offers a practical entry into classic car ownership. Number 19. 1977 Dodge Aspen RT. Price: $1,400. Located Corey, Indiana. This 1977 Dodge Aspen RT is a project car that comes as a rolling chassis without engine or transmission. It is a factory V8 car with a solid subframe and minimal bodywork required. The vehicle includes a clean title and is suitable for someone planning a full restoration or custom build. Its lightweight structure and classic design make it a great base for performance projects. This is an affordable opportunity for enthusiasts looking to build a classic car from the ground up. Number 20. 1979 Chrysler Mopar 300 Special Edition. Price: $2,850. Located York, Pennsylvania. This 1979 Chrysler Mopar 300 Special Edition is a rare classic with limited production numbers. It features a powerful 360 engine similar to those used in performance trucks of the era. The automatic transmission and comfortable design make it a unique blend of performance and luxury. With 96,000 miles, it remains a solid example of late 1970s American automotive design. The white exterior and red interior give it a distinctive appearance. This car is a great choice for collectors seeking a rare and affordable Mopar classic.